right. So this is Timothy and Emerald. Timothy plus Emerald equals Timrald. This is the chapter of our lives where we dog sit in Carlsbad for 17 days. And happy to have you with us. Come on, buddy. Let's go for a walk. I love going for walks with Jax. Come on. Put your arms in here. One. Come on. Yeah, I feel like I'm in pretty solid shape right now. Like a good ratio of muscle and fat and flexibility, mobility, endurance. The only problem is I'm addicted to fast foods currently. Can't stop eating donuts and frozen pizzas. And I'm also being a little bit exaggerating. I am exaggerating and being slightly sarcastic about eating fast food and donuts, because I eat 90% of my meals are like awesomely healthy. Like this meal that Emerald just made here is a salad, spinach and stuff, and it also has from Farmer's Market, and it has sardines on it. I love sardines as a source of protein. But I also have been eating some fast food recently, every once in a while. Like probably I would say it makes up about, in the last month, 5% of my calories. So Emerald and I are grooming. Our last appointment was like at least probably exactly a week ago. But so we since we've been out in San Diego, we've basically been doing grooming on the weekends, mainly because of traffic and demand. The demand just hasn't been out as high out here for us. But look at these two little babies. Look at that. Giving them a little, what we call a teddy bear cut. And we got 2 more appointments today, so.
Timothy is out surfing and I'm catching the footage. I really enjoy watching Timothy surf, and yeah, just getting to capture videos of him getting good waves is fun. Yeah, we're here at Ponto Beach. Timmothy's right out there. So beautiful. There's Timothy. Here he goes.
I got Jax because he's messing with Emerald's handstand. So as I'm putting this video together, I'm kind of like, are people enjoying this? I don't know. So maybe if you could leave us a comment or even just a thumbs up, that would be good and encouraging, because we have fun making these videos, and if you find some entertainment and education from it, maybe some inspiration, let us know. And be sure to subscribe and like. That's also a good way to let us know that you're enjoying the content. And thank you very much for watching.